What's up, everybody? Today we're going to shoot a music video, potentially. If this video actually reached you, it means it was interesting enough and I was actually able to get enough compelling footage to make it something worth uploading. I'm going to help my friend out, Corey, who's a local filmmaker, with a music video that he's working on. And, I tried to arrange some behind the scenes. Obviously, I try to bring behind the scenes to the majority of shoots I go to. I wasn't able to arrange any behind the scenes, so I'm going to try just do an iPhone vlog. Let's see what I can do. The iPhone vlog format is limited, seeing as I am obviously coming along to play a role as a cameraman. It's beneficial for me to have a cameraman for me as well, so I can give all my attention to the, the role that I'm there to play. But I'm going to try and put part of my attention into shooting a ghetto iPhone vlog. And hopefully it goes well. Without further ado, if you're seeing this, it means the video is interesting enough. Also, this is the day of my video editing contest ending, and I'm about to give away $100 to someone on PayPal. I'm about to go live before I go to this shoot and watch 100 edits. I had 105 submissions into the contest. It's funny for me to say that because I literally have to watch 105 videos right now, decide who's the best, give $100 to somebody, give a shout out to 2 other people, and it's looking like it's going to be a good day. Let's do it. Whew, I just got done doing that live stream. Crazy. Watched over 100 edits. It took over 2 hours, and my energy is fucking on zero now, to be honest. I mean, I've just been streaming for 2 hours, and now I've got to go shoot this music video. Obviously, I'm not the main camera of the music video, which enables me to, not have to be fucking bringing the, 1000% killer shots, but I'm gonna fucking still smash this shoot. Day in the life of a full-time video creator. I'm fucking going from the 2-hour live stream, giving somebody $100 for the editing contest. I'm going to a music shoot on the middle of nowhere. You'll see if this vlog even makes it to you. Remember what I said in the first clip. It just might not. Sweet, let's continue with the day. Oh, to the yes.
Jesus. You see that car? I'm fucking dead. Come on, man.
Parked up in the middle of nowhere, trying to find where the actual exact location is going to be. I'm just an extra cameraman on this one, so Corey, the main director, is currently on the phone with the with the talent, if you will, and we're trying to find the exact location. We're in the middle of nowhere, though. It's called Dartmoor, for anybody who don't know. Basically, Dartmoor translates to the middle of nowhere. What are you saying about this, Corey? Woo! For real. We've just came through to a quarry. This is probably going to be a pretty cool video. Right? What the fuck? Yo, check this shit out. Oh, really hiking out here. Oh. Corey's down there getting some nice shots with the gimbal. I'm over here with the big boy setup. And we got the band rehearsing over there on the other side of the quarry. This is a 3-point operation right now. We've been here for about an hour, 45 minutes, something like that at least. Shoot is in a massive quarry. Took us a little while to drive out here, then took us a little while further to walk out here. And now we're just getting loads of environment shots. Corey's off with the gimbal. I'm doing the actual pans down from the sky, pans down of the environment. As you can see, it's looking pretty wild down here. And our talent, if you will, is getting ready, rehearsing, and actually getting the vocals down before we start doing the visuals. We're going to crack on. We'll be here for a few more hours at the least. And I found me a bit of a hack. If you want to do a pan down from the sky to whatever you're trying to do, pan to reveal, I think you might call it. I've actually got a nice little setup right here where I literally just hold it down and the weight seems to be adequate enough that it just does the pan for me. There's definitely not a motor in here or anything like that, but it just does the pan to reveal for me. I don't know how smooth it's going to look, but it saves me doing it. Pan shots doner than they ever been. Going back, change lenses. I've had enough of this big ass wide angle lens, enough of this fat ass tripod, which I'm carrying with one arm, and it's giving me a serious workout. I came back over here to change my lens, as we last spoke about, and I've spotted my partner in crime for today. Shoot, up on the fucking mountaintop. Come on now, Corey. How's the view like up there?
This is Liz, the amazing Liz.
Big Liz.
Roast beef and rockets, all right?
Camembert and cranberry.
This is
Oh.
Can you chuck me one of the We finished the shoot. And there's like one photographer there, obviously us, fucking come with all this gear. These two lovely gentlemen here who are obviously going to do some filming as well. What's up, gentlemen? How's it done? How's it going? Lovely night for a little bit of camera action. Hell to the yes, man. This is really something else. Shoot's done. We came out of the little canyon type of place we were at. It's not even a canyon, that's the wrong lingo. Quarry. I think that's the right lingo. And we just came to this massive sunset, came around the corner to a massive sunset. Corey's more of a photographer than I am, so he's off taking some lovely pictures. I'm sat here enjoying it and making a clip for my vlog. Thank you guys for tuning in. This has been a fun-ass shoot. I've just been a B camera for this shoot. I'm not normally a B camera. I'm usually the only fucking camera. There's only fucking A camera, me. It's my whole shoot, but this has been a fun experience for sure. Coming through, shooting a music video in fucking amazing location. And there's probably every cameraman in the entire 100-mile radius around here, my friend. They've all gathered tonight. The little skinny one. Oh, dinner time. What up? You all good?
Hi.
Come on now. Come on now. That's a wrap. Woo! Come on now.
We'll just go round in circles. 1 equals 1, then from so much that it hurts you. Still be right on, let bygones be bygones, cause all we want is love. And we chase it like rat race for the paper, so man's dance for the baby, it's a grand slam.
What's going down? We done and dusted with the shoot. Shut up, computer. I'm back at the home now. You can probably tell by my voice. I'm pretty low in energy, man. Shot about 5 hours, something like that. 4 hours at the very least. Blast. Had a blast. Thoroughly enjoyable. I was a B camera. Had fun being a B camera. The type of freelancer or the type of fucking camera guy I am usually, I set the whole thing up. I go get the booking. I fucking turn up. I negotiate the deal. I shoot every angle. I edit the whole thing, right? I play every role. This was cool. I was just, playing like a part in a group thing. You know what I mean? It was fun. Good experience. And overall, I had a blast shooting this music video, which really wasn't a music video. It was a video of music. Same thing, I guess, but, not like some next level bars and shit like that. Sort of a musical performance in a very lovely area. And overall, I'm sure by the shots you saw, it was pretty crazy, this place we were shooting at. It was amazing, to be honest. And overall, it definitely was a good vlog. Going back to what I said at the beginning. If you made it to the end, we weren't sure whether you were even going to watch this. And you did. You watched to the end, so congratulations to you. And congratulations to me, because I directly benefit from you watching my entire vlog. Thank you. We both won. Take it easy, guys. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video.